Hi, this is Soumya Brother here, and I am working as a project lead on SET consultant. And today I'm going to discuss about one of our success story. So, just begin with this. So about SET consultant, so we have started our journey on 2016, and those are the technologies we are currently working on. First of all, Oracle Apex and PL/SQL, this is the fast one, and we have started working on that. But after that, we have enhanced our expertise on Oracle Cloud, Oracle NetSuite, EBS, these things we have started working on. And basically we have working with different countries, companies, and right now we are just going on. So let's see. Yeah, so today I am going to discuss about a project with TWC, the wonderful company with whom we have started working for the last 1 year. And recently, just for the last 5 months, we have started working on a new project on with TWC that is called CAR. The project name is CAR. So on that CAR application, what they come, they are told us to give a solution on a automated workflow. Automated workflow means they are not going to use a PL/SQL one, which is basically there is a backend PL/SQL code which is basically fetching the data from the backend and do the things and get the approvals. But what they want that automated one, which is basically introduced by Oracle Apex on 23. On the 23.1 and 2. I'm sorry, I forgot year 2. Sorry. Yeah. So I'm just going to describe about the project here. So the basic what they need from us, that they have two main things on their project. First of all, they call it is the two main component is one is idea and one is card. So first of all, what is idea? So idea is basically they are going to create a project with the help of this Apex application. So for that project, there should be a cost estimation. So first of all, this cost estimation should be approved by their top of the management. When that is approved, then with that approval, they are going to create a CAR. This CAR is the main project approval, which is basically gone through several levels through the higher management. So this is their basically the topic. So we have given a solution for that. So I'm just directly jump into the project. So first of all, we have created the several pages. So this is the first page we have created, that is called the create idea page. So in this page, basically we have given different components for them to become an interactive applications. So they can upload their files, they can basically give the cost estimation here, and from this page they are going to start the workflow. Workflow means that automated workflow, which is basically going through 2 levels of approval for the cost estimation. So when this approved, this is the page where basically they are going to set the approvals. So when they select from the drop down, they are going to select the approvals here. And when they select the approvals, they click on submit approval. So this basically call the Apex workflow. On through that of Apex workflow, it's basically first hit to the first approval. When the first approval is done, then it will move to the second approval, and when all approval is done, it will basically approve the idea. So whenever the idea is approved, I have given this is the workflow for that. So processing, first start the process. Basically, we have used some custom table for this on the back end, as well as we have used the metadata table for the Apex. So basically, why we use custom table? Because we are storing needed data there. So with the help of this diagram, we are basically use the Apex workflow. So after that, I am moving to the next one. So this is just I have shown here the dashboard of our application. So in this dashboard, what the important thing is that we have given the approve and reject button from not only from here, from the my idea page. My idea page means where whenever we have started any workflow, that workflow basically from as per Apex, they have given a page, a dedicated page for that, where basically they are able to go and directly approve or reject the workflow. Otherwise, we have given the custom thing here. So with the help of this, approver are able to approve the pages. So those are the this is the page where basically this page is basically designed from Apex, and they have provided that, and that one is we have given that. So after that, this is the main thing, the complex area where we are basically facing some challenges here for the card approval process. This is the main card creation page. This is the place where basically we have facing the challenges. Why? Basically, when idea is approved, fully approved by the approver, so based on that idea, they are able to create a card. Card means a project approval process. So when they come to creating a card, so it also moving through a several level of approval as well as several layer of approval. Why it's needed? Because see here almost 7 are basically total. I am not able to take the full screenshot, but there is 9 level of approval, and so each approval level, some of the means on the capex director or for the executive assistant, these two level have multi-layer approval. Multi-layer approval means suppose for the approval 1 there is a single layer. So on this approval level, if we add multiple approval, so any one of the approval if approve the flow, then it is complete, approval is completed, so it will move to the next level. But on the capex director or the executive assistant, there are multi-layer approval. Multi-layer approval means if we are able to select multiple approval, and each of the approver should approve this, then only it will move to the next level. So these things, this complexity we have faced. So for this we have created the custom table where we basically on the backend we are storing the data. After that, we are just speaking one by one, and whenever we are just keeping a flag there, where basically storing that if the approval is completed, we are not going to next level. Just I'm going to see the workflow here. So this is the place where basically we are basically checking the level. Whenever its level is completed, then we are going to